What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel, How to Remove Image Background on iPhone. In this video, let me show you how you can remove background on any image using your iPhone. Now, let's start by opening your gallery or photos. Now, select the photo you wanted to remove the background. It can be a human, pet, or an object. This process will still be possible with those things as well. In our case, I'm using this one. Now I'll be pressing the person's face. Make sure to hold still for a few seconds and wait for it to detach from the background. Now, as you can see, we've already cut out the person on the background. You can copy it and save it on your notes or even on iMessage. You can use it as a sticker or send it to someone. And there you have it. Very quick and easy, right? That's how easy you can remove background of any image without using any third-party apps with your iPhone. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.